Hey everyone, welcome. So today we're gonna go unbox my new lavalier mic, and this is the mic from DJI. So they recently released a microphone, I think this month or last month, and I've been looking for a microphone that is portable and two-way. It has two receivers or two microphones and one or two transmitters and one receiver. So you know, if you guys know what I'm talking about, DJI has this right here. So this is the DJI mic wireless microphone right there. And so from DJI, sorry about my dog in the background, to the background noise. So let's get right into it. DJI wireless microphone. So DJI claims it has a 250 meters transmission range. It's a dual channel recording, so it means I have two transmitters with two microphones that you can use, and it can transmit to a receiver. And also up to 14 hours of onboard memory, the portable and compact, wide compatibility, and they claim 15 hours of battery life. So yeah, let's go right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this mic with my right here. So make sure with my A7S3, and I'm gonna be recording videos here and there without worrying about, you know, a cable dangling. So I think we're set. But one of my intent is to, you know, be light and agile as much as I can when I'm recording, and DJI is actually provides that capability with these microphones. Excuse me. So this is it right here, and it's actually made for iPhone. Did I order the right one? I believe so. So yeah, so this is it right here, and let's open it. Go open the box. So what you get is, in the box you get charging case, a receiver, one receiver, two transmitters. Again, like I mentioned, two transmitters, one receiver, a carrying pouch, a hot shoe adapter, a windscreen, a mobile phone adapter, it's lightning, and a mobile phone adapter type C. Wow. And camera, audio cables, a 3.5 millimeter TRS cable, an instruction, a clip magnet, and also a charging cable. Wow, this comes in complete. So yeah, all of those stuff are gonna be in this thing right here. Actually, we need it because we need to charge. Oh, that's a pouch. That's the carrying case. All right, we'll put that aside and see what they have in here. That's it. It's pretty compact, guys. So yeah, this is gonna help me create, you know, make my YouTube. When I create more YouTube, more agile, so I can just grab my camera, you know, and start recording and actually get great audio instead of fumbling around with a microphone like this. You know, even though it's not close in quality, I want a great quality microphone that can check all the boxes. And that microphone right here, right there, is the one. That one. So again, this is the box right here, the front and the side. So this is the box, the main event right here. So it's gonna be ASMR. Wasn't that satisfying, guys? So, and take that from the box. Let me put that in there. I like to keep all the plastics. I like to keep my, you know, equipment in the original. Yeah, I have the plastics and stuff just in case something goes wrong. But this is it right here. So this is what you get. Pretty compact. It's actually, I'm gonna grab my iPhone, actually recording right there, but this is an 11 Pro Max, so you can see that right there. Hopefully it gets it, but yeah, so this is the 11 Pro Max right there. So you can see how thin the 11 Pro Max and how compact the DJI microphone, all of the two transmitters and one receiver in this thing. And this thing can wireless microphone can charge, and they claim 15 hours. Yeah, 15 hours of battery life. So that's pretty awesome. So let's open it. Right there, and it's already charged. So it's DJI. Oh, so DJI sent this to me charged already. What I meant by that is I bought this with my own money, and also they also sent this already charged. Not that this is video sponsored, but hopefully in the future. All right, so when I open the top part of the case, so you can see right there, so you can see the lights glow, right? That means it indicates that the two transmitters and one receiver are already charged 50%. So it's 15.1 hours. It says 15 hours on both sides and receiver in the middle. So you have your two transmitters right here. You have your two transmitters. It keeps closing, so just make sure it doesn't fall. One transmitter right here, and your other one is right there, and this is your receiver right there. So it has an LCD. That is awesome. Okay, I think that is it, and the rest is just the yeah. So let's explore what's inside the pouch. But before we proceed to check those out, you also have a charging indicator right here. So you have 4 LEDs that are white. Now it says it has 3 lights, 4 total. So I'm roughly about 75% on charge. So it's pretty compact. The texture of the carrying the case is pretty good. It's plastic, but it feels like rubber as well. It's pretty solid. It has texture in it, or on it, excuse me. So you can see right there, there's like little grooves, and to improve your grip. But yeah, this is awesome. I've never seen a microphone this compact, and yeah, so right there. So you can see, hopefully showing you guys that, hopefully the camera catches it. So right there, but my light, right? Sorry about that. So how about this right there? So as you can see, the middle part is the transmitter or the receiver, and 2 transmitters in the middle. So that's how it says on the LCD. So which is pretty good, guys. and the LCD is right there, the charging indicators. It's 4 total, but showing 3 on currently. So this is the carrying pouch right now that we are exploring and unboxing. It says you get all the cables as previously mentioned. You get 2 windscreens, dead cat, the TRS, the 3.5mm TRS, and the USB-C cable, which is good. I think that's it. You get this too, the USB-C cable and the TRS, and that's all you need. This DJI wireless microphone, I'm super happy that I got this, because I'm gonna pair this DJI with my Sony A7S III instead of using, you know, a condenser mic, right? Because I have condenser mic as well. I can capture great quality audio quality, and it's gonna be portable as well. So agile, portable, great quality audio quality. That checks all the boxes. You know, I'm happy. I'm gonna do a test later on down the road. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But I'm gonna do another unboxing of my TV. I actually bought an OLED TV, and is the previous version. I didn't get the newer version that Sony released this year. I got the previous one from last year, but I got it for a great price. I'll unbox that after this unboxing of my DJI wireless mic. So what I'm gonna do is use this microphone with my Sony A7S III. I'm gonna film that unboxing of my Sony OLED TV using my Sony A7S III with my DJI wireless. So I'll include all the equipment that I use down below. I'll keep adding as I get the time to actually add them on YouTube, because I get pretty busy, and I'm trying to do YouTube, on the side as a hobby. So yeah, super stoked, super happy. I got a wireless great microphone that can capture great quality with all the perks, advantages of having a DJI equipment. You know, DJI is known for their drones, their gimbal and stuff. Now they're getting to microphone to compete with other competitors out there. I think DJI is on the right track here. As I don't have a DJI drone, but I do have a Altel Evo drone that I'm gonna be using to film videos as well. If you guys want to see an aerial footage of my videos, let me know. I'll produce that content. But I'm gonna be using their microphone. So super happy, super stoked. And yeah, see you guys later. I'm out.